Hi everybody, Robert here again with more Revit training. And today we're going to look at creating a color scheme and a color lettering for this first level, because in this particular building these are going to be rentable spaces and we got a different suite. So what needs to be done here, I started already, we need to go into our level 1 and we want to duplicate this view. I duplicated it and I'm going to rename this to color schemes. Go into that view first. I'm sorry. Oops. Going to rename this now to color schemes. So now here in this view, we need to add areas and the room name. So here I have, just briefly going through this, you need to go into your architecture tab here and then go and then create your room, your areas and everything, and these are the tags that we use. So here now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the areas. We can also do an area a color scheme, but we're going to just work with these for now, make this simple as possible. So I'm going to go into my properties and I'm going to edit type here. And as you can see, I can get volume and area. I'm going to go with area here and apply. Okay, so now we've got all our room areas here. You can also do volume, but let me see if how's that going to work. Edit type, volume. Okay. Okay, now it says not satisfied, and we don't have volume because we don't have the room closed off. So I'm going to undo that one. And let's focus on how you do a scheme, color scheme. So once you have all your areas done here, you can go, and there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can do this from the Analyze tab. I'm going to show you this way, and you can hit this pull down and hit color schemes. And then here, we want to go select our rooms. And then there's our rooms and there's our colors. And then we can hit apply. Okay. So that's one way to do it. Another way, let's go undo that. And let's go into our properties here. To that color scheme. And then you're going to go here with rooms and names. And then click apply. Okay, now as you can see, the colors are showing up here. So that's simple, very simple. That's how you would do your room areas and color schemes. Each room is this color, and then if I go back and look at that schedule again, you can see these colors, and they can be changed in different things that you want to do with them. So that's basically it. That's how you do color schemes. Now, I'll apply that and okay. And then once you have that done, you can also create a legend here. So under the architecture tab, no, it's on the annotate. Yeah. So you go into the annotation tab and basically go to here where it says color fill legend. I select that. And there's your legend and your rooms to match. Okay, that's room right there. And I can edit these guys. So let me see. Yep. So that's it. That's basically how you do color fills, color schemes. Pretty simple. And you can see how the number of things you can do with these. Let's go back into my color schemes. Here. Okay, now let's go and do by area. Colors preserved, change the primary color, different primary, and the color making the scheme. Say okay here. And then you can go select these by area. So what can happen here, you got your spaces. Okay, so no color scheme assigned. So I'm going to undo that, goof that up a bit here. bring that back and go back into schemes here. And what has to happen is you gotta duplicate this guy, and then we'll call this one area, or just call it, yeah, let's call it areas. Boy, I can't spell today. Okay. And then here, we go areas with this one, and we go to area here. Okay. So we have our two different color schemes. We have one for areas and one for room names. Now I think I can pull another, let me see, apply, okay, and let me see if I can get another schedule here. Room legend, okay. I'm going to cancel that, but anyway, I'm going to leave it there. That's all field 1. Let me see if I can change it here. Or edit type. Pretty neat though. But that was it. Basically, that's how you would do a color scheme. Very simple, straightforward. You got your colors here. There's our rooms. And then I kind of like the area one better. I think that would probably be the one we want to work with. So I'm going to go with and apply. Okay. So there we go. Just simple as changing that there. So we can go from room to names to areas. I kind of like, let's see here, I want to edit this guy again. I kind of like the, let's go with the room names here. Suite 1. Okay, so that's it. That's very simply how you create room names. So basically you got to take this level here, and what I did, I duplicated the view and I created this view. My color schemes, and there they are. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, helps me make videos like this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. That's what we're here for. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and take care. Bye.